Have you ever spent a lot of time searching for information in a large Excel file? Maybe you have an employee ID and need the employee name, or you have a product code and need the price. Most Excel users use VLOOKUP for this task, but there is a newer and more powerful function called Xlookup. In this video, we will learn what Xlookup is, how it works, and why it is becoming one of the most important Excel functions for professionals. Let's get started. Suppose you have an employee IDs and names, but you only know the ID and want Excel to find the name automatically. This is exactly where Xlookup helps. Let's type the formula here to get the name. First, the lookup value, the information we want to search. Second, the lookup array, the where Excel will search. And third, the return array, the information we want Excel to bring back. Just press enter, and here Excel searches for the employee ID and returns the employee name. Let's discuss why Xlookup is better than VLOOKUP. Now let's see why actually Xlookup is becoming more popular than VLOOKUP. First, Xlookup can search in any direction. It can return values from left to right or right to left, whatever the direction you will put, it will give you the result. Type the formula here, Xlookup. First of all, lookup value, this is the lookup value, then comma, then lookup array, then the return array, the information you want, and press enter. You will get your required information. Second, you do not need to count the column numbers like VLOOKUP. For example, in VLOOKUP, we select the table array and the column number is 2. Here you are having your name. But in Xlookup, lookup value, then lookup array, and the return array from where you want the information, then press enter, you will have your information. So you can see that you do not need to remember the column number here in Xlookup. And the third is Xlookup has built-in error handling. In case you are searching the employee ID 1010, lookup value 1010 employee ID, you will find from here lookup value, then return array. Then you will type not found, then press enter. As the employee ID does not exist here, you can see that it already mentioned not found. So Xlookup has a built-in error handling. Further, in real corporate environments, Xlookup is useful for payroll reports, financial analysis, MIS reporting, vendor list, and SAP data reconciliation. If you work with large Excel files, the function can save you significant time. So this is what Xlookup is in a simple way, and this is why Xlookup is one of the most important Excel functions to learn today. It is actually easier, more flexible, and more powerful than traditional lookup methods. So if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Acclytics for more Excel analytics and finance tutorials. See you in the next video.